Hey guys, welcome to Top End Rugby League Cards break number 50. This is the team randomisation. Sorry it's taken so long to get round to. Had a fair bit on and a lot of things go wrong, but that's alright, that's life. Time is 9:22 PM. Okay, I'll grab the teams. Let's copy them. West Tigers at the bottom, Broncos at the top. As per, for those guys that haven't been in a lot of the breaks, as per this we'll randomise it 5 times. Okay, let's go. Good luck everyone. Barring any emergencies, we will be breaking tomorrow night, tomorrow afternoon. I'll have a more accurate time for you later on. If you want to trade, get your trades in. All good. Okay, so last time, 5 times. 5 times. Time is 9:23. I'll just grab all these teams. There we go. Copy. Paste them in. Okay, so for break 50. Dean Turman, you've got the Roosters, Mark Johnson Sharks, Ray Steptoe Eels, Adam Boas Storm, Tony Huss Knights, Adam Hemsworth Warriors, Aaron Mako Cowboys, Jim Barber Broncos, Rob Blanche Raiders, Dave Ross Bulldogs, Lisa Marshall West Tigers, David Morton Rabbitohs, Ben Doolis Titans, Carlo is the Dragons, Pete Sandell's Panthers, Daniel McIlraith is Seagulls. Good to see a couple of people got their teams. Beautiful. Alright guys, time is 9:23. I'll put that list up straight away. Any trades, let me know and I'll put up a definite time tomorrow for you for a break. Cheers guys.